Want to turn your life around? Stop blaming others and start taking responsibility. Maaring lumaki ka na napaka-traumatic ng childhood mo. Iniwan ka ng nanay mo, ng tatay mo, people abandoned you, people took advantage of you, inabuso ka, and I'm sorry, yun yung napagdaanan mo. Hindi na natin mababago kung ano yung nangyari sa past But I hope it should not hostage your present and your future. Tama na ang pagturo. Ang sakit na para sa iyo. There is healing and grace from the Lord that you can heal from that. And start owning up to the things that you need to do para maabot mo mga pangarap mo, mga goal mo. What you can do is take responsibility. Kung nagkamali ka, then own up to it, learn from it. Start taking responsibility by building the right habits of learning, reading, being mentored by the